How to add smart filters on your photos in photopea.com. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. Now over here you have to go on filter, and then in the filter library you have these all these kinds of options over here. You have to search for the filter that you want, but before going to the filter you have to go. Now over here, as you select the filter, any of the filter you want, let's say I am selecting this flame filter. Now this flame filter will be selected and you have to click OK. Now as you have selected the flame filter, now in the layer option you will be able to see there is a smart filter option. You have to click on smart filter to enable this, and then you have to click on smart filter to disable this. Now this all the filters that are added to photopea.com is a are smart filters, and you can edit them later. This is how you can add smart filters on photopea.com. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.